Good evening. Term 80 has officially started and more new students are coming all the way to learn new languages.
Some of the courses offered are English, Chinese, and Thai. How was your first day, Luca?
It was a mix of emotion, partly sad because the term break ended, but also excited because we're all here for this experience together.
Truly amazing. It's good to be a part of the second season of AII Newsflash! In an exciting development for Cambodian education, the AII Sensal campus has celebrated its grand opening on August 18th. Led by Neoknya Dr. MJQE, founder, chairman, and the CEO of MJQE. The campus is the largest and most impressive yet, spanning over 2,982 meters. Designed to provide exceptional educational experiences, the state-of-the-art facility can accommodate over 1,500 students, fostering academic excellence and expanding opportunities. Enrollment for the new term is ongoing, which started on August 28, 2023. Prospective students, don't miss out on this chance to join the AII Sensal campus community. The grand opening signifies a commitment to advancing education and nurturing the next generation of leaders. Stay tuned for more updates on this groundbreaking event at AII.
Cambodian students are enrolling in Study Overseas, Go Overseas, US Studying Abroad J1 and F1 program. 30 students have secured placements in US institutions. Embarking on education journey, those programs provide opportunity for cultural immersion, global perspective, and personal growth. Studying abroad enriches knowledge, foster cultural understanding, and open doors to exciting prospects. The selected student exceptional talent and dedication are a testament to their hard work and support are available through SOGO, covering study programs, scholarships, and applications. Stay tuned for more updates on Study Overseas, Go Overseas, SOGO for the remarkable achievement of Cambodian students pursuing their dream in the national stage.
This has been the most extraordinary experience of my entire life.
Taylor Swift continues to make waves and literally take the world by storm and quakes after 53 shows. The first US leg of the Eras Tour has officially closed on August 9th. Taylor Swift originally announced 27 shows and has since extended the tour, adding new dates in cities like New Orleans, Indianapolis, and Toronto, which are all now anticipating a local economic boost. Eras is set to go international this month, starting with 4 shows in Mexico City, continuing its 5-continent run through November 2024, including the Singapore and Japan. If Taylor Swift were an economy, she'd be bigger than 50 countries, said Dan Fleetwood, president of Question Pro Research and Insight. How I wish Taylor Swift would notice Cambodia. I mean, we have the Cambodian Moradotleto Stadium that can host up to 60,000 seats and have a gross internal stage of 82,400 square meters. Hope you're listening, Taylor. And please make your Cambodian and neighboring Swifties be so happy. There's language in music.
We are willing to wait for the most iconic concert ever. Unlike Taylor, we will not keep you waiting. Watch out for more exciting news from us.
Once again, I'm Luca.
I'm Rasmai.
I'm Bresset.
And
this is AII Newsflash!